What's up mga kuya? Welcome back to the channel. So ngayon po ay nasa akin ang Haylou GT7 True Wireless Earbuds from Haylou. So of course, shout out to Haylou for providing me with a unit of their GT7s. So weirdly enough, even though these are significantly cheaper compared to the Haylou W1s, which offer a really freaking great sound quality, this offers something that the W1 doesn't offer, and that is a low latency mode. So it promises, was that shit man, a 65 millisecond low latency mode, and we all know 100% of the time that only applies for when watching videos and not for playing games, as I would say this would offer 150 to a 200 millisecond latency when it comes to playing games, well, FPS games more specifically. So we have AAC audio codec, low latency mode again, AI call noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.2, a 20-hour battery life, so that's 5 hours at the time of listening, and a touch control. And what I have with me is the white color option, also available in a black color option. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this and give you guys a short review of the Haylou GT7s. So there we have the Haylou branding, USB Type-C at the side, and I think this is an LED indicator right beside the USB Type-C charging port. So I'm assuming this will change color depending on the battery life of the case itself. Okay, USB Type-C. Charging cable, like I guess this is about 6 to 7 inches na all. Replacement ear tips, not gonna open that for now, and the instruction manual or user guide. So yeah, there we have the earbuds themselves, and we have some like stickers, or some stickers covering the contact points for the charging points. So regarding the design, we have a slit here, and of course we have the kind of like the design of the AirPods 2, like with a more ergonomic design. So we have the indicator here, since this goes to your right ear, and this goes of course to your left ear. We have the main microphone here at the bottom, and a noise cancelling one right here. Okay, so we have LED indicators here on the bottom of the earbuds themselves. And wait, so it appears this doesn't light up. Actually, I'll try charging it. Yeah, so it lights up when charging, and I think it doesn't really indicate the battery life of the case itself. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so I'm just gonna pair this with my phone real quick. Okay, so it appears you need to take it out of the case first before you connect it to your phone. I'm assuming that's only for the first time, like connecting it. So yeah, I'm gonna test out the Haylou GT7s for a bit and come back to you guys with my short review on this. A few moments later. At nagbabalik na po tayo mga kuya. So, aminin ko, I'm surprised with the performance of the Haylou GT7s, particularly with latency. So pagdating sa sound quality, when listening to music, watching videos, it's significantly worse compared to the Haylou W1s. Ito nga pala yung quick comparison ng case nila. So a bit thicker talaga, significantly thicker itong Haylou W1s kumpara sa GT7. So ayan, and of course main difference nila about sa thickness ng case nila is eto, may LED indicators tong Haylou W1s, and wala tong LED indicator for the battery life of the case. The LED indicator will just turn on if it's charging, but other than that, no other shit to let you know what's the battery of the case itself. So regarding the low latency mode of the Haylou GT7s, it's freaking awesome. Like when watching videos, the average latency is 50 milliseconds. Way better than the advertised 65 milliseconds of low latency. And here's the actual surprising part when it comes to games. So I tested the GT7s in low latency mode in Valorant, and I was able to get an average of 80 milliseconds of latency. And that's a latency in audio that pretty much most people won't notice. So if you're looking for great value and under 1,000 pesos, about 900 pesos for the Haylou GT7s, it's an absolute steal. Like just on the low latency audio alone, that's yeah, a steal. So for the touch controls, it's pretty much this area where this lit is. So single tap either earbuds to play pause music, answer reject calls, double tap the right earbud to go to the next song, triple touch either earbuds to activate your voice assistant, and double tap the left earbud to turn on and off your low latency mode. So yeah, I was really surprised with this. If you want to game on true wireless earbuds, and it's pretty much an almost zero latency experience, pretty much latency that again most people won't really notice. Then for me, the Haylou GT7 is a no-brainer for me. Yeah, sound quality isn't the best, although highs, mids, and lows are well balanced for the most part. I mean, compared to the Haylou W1s, which offer like audiophile level of sound quality. Again, if low latency is your thing, then yeah, the Haylou GT7s is definitely the one for you. So the Haylou GT7s for around 900 pesos and the Haylou W1s for 1,500 to 1,600 pesos. If I were to choose, for me, I'd go for the Haylou W1 since I don't really game with earbuds. I mainly game on headphones. But of course, if you're a mobile gamer or if you want to use true wireless earbuds on your PC, on your laptop, and have a, again, almost zero latency audio experience, then yeah, I can easily recommend the Haylou GT7s to you. And I guess the only bad thing that I would say about the Haylou GT7s is that it doesn't have any fast charging, quick charging capabilities. So for the earbuds themselves to charge from 0 to 100 inside the charging case, it would take 2 hours, and also 2 hours for the charging case itself to charge from 0 to 100. But honestly, for the price, you can't really complain. Of course, if you want to get the best of both worlds, like great sound quality, low latency, and fast charging, then you're gonna have to spend 2,000 pesos or above. But for 900 pesos, this is an absolute steal. Again, shout out to Haylou for providing me with a unit of their GT7s. Of course, I'll leave the links in the description if you guys want to buy this or the W1s. Again, it's your choice. So hopefully this video was helpful. Of course, leaving a like is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications so you'll be updated on my latest videos. As always, stay safe mga kuya. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stool, gotta check the fan. Yeah, I'm watching out for ops, yeah, they not my